What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're doing your research on the E1U Life affiliate program. Maybe you want to know, is this a scam that you should really avoid at all costs? Or is this a legitimate, good affiliate program that you can feel good and confident promoting and earning consistent commissions online? Well, you're in the right place. I've personally been doing affiliate marketing full-time for over 6 years now, and I've personally joined and invested into E1U Life, and I've started promoting it for a while now. So I'm going to share with you my personal experience as well as whether or not I recommend this for a beginner. So first off, there's going to be a link directly below. At any time in this video, if you see an opportunity for yourself, I want you to click that link to find out more information. I'm also giving away over $4,000 worth of bonuses when you partner with me at the Vertex Live level inside. You'll be able to get strategies, copy paste ads, video training to really force you, if you will, to succeed. Now you can see at the time of recording, I've been able to generate over $50,000 referring members. And I can tell you from personal experience, I've always received the payouts in a timely and consistent manner. Okay, they've not missed one payout. I've always received the money into my bank account safely and consistently. So that's the first thing. I can speak from personal experience. Now you may be watching this and thinking, well, that's great, Garrett, but maybe you're a little bit biased. Maybe you're just saying that, right? Well, I want to share with you real quick some testimonials, okay, of other people that have been promoting E1U Life and generating commissions. You can see George right here. He says, got my first big payday while I was spending the day with my granddaughter. Okay, so he made $1,100. You can see Jessica here. Nice $500 payment while having a relaxing day at home with my daughter. Okay, $500. This person messaged me on Facebook, Garrett, my sales have been increasing thanks to you and the training. I'm finally about to quit my job and do this full time. Okay. And when you click the link below, you'll be able to see more of these. I'm just going to share maybe one more. This person right here, I was watching an educational video on YouTube and this popped up, okay, a $100 Elevation Elite sale. So again, you can see these other people getting results. Now I want to go to dictionary.com. Now, if you actually look up the definition of what does scam mean, because we want to be very clear when we throw these harsh, critical words out there, because oftentimes what it really is someone has tried to promote something in the past, they've failed or struggled, they get kind of bitter, and then they just say, oh, that's a scam, when they don't understand it was simply a lack of knowledge on how to actually make this succeed. Okay, so it says right here, a scam is a deceptive scheme or trick used to cheat someone out of something, especially money. Okay, so if you actually go to E1U Life and you look at their sales page, okay, so if I open up the links tab and I go to the sales page here, this is what they claim you get access to, okay? So again, are you ready to begin earning daily income? So they list all the different levels. Elevation Elite, they have 27 trainings, okay? So it gives a description of the training inside. Elevation Basic, Elevation Elite, okay? So right here, they have, authority traffic, zero cost traffic, YouTube authority. So these are all the different modules they're claiming you'll make or you'll receive when you actually join. Okay, so we want to keep this in mind, right? So they're saying all this stuff. Now, do you actually get access to this? Because again, a scam is a deceptive scheme or trick used to cheat someone out of something. So if someone is promising something and you pay and you don't receive what they promise, they are tricking you, and that is a scam. But if E1U Life is claiming that they're giving you this stuff when you buy and you purchase, are they giving you this stuff? Because if they are, it's not a scam, it's legit. So if I go into my back office and I go to my products and I click any one of these because I'm at the highest level, whatever level you join, you unlock that level and all the levels under it. If I go to Vertex Elite, just one of the random levels, you can see all these trainings are there. And I can click on any one of these and they have the full training. This is a 23-minute training. This one right here, okay, is a 26-minute training. So it's right here, right? So you are getting what you're promised. If I go to the Vertex Elite level, okay, right here, Vertex Elite, the power of effective communication. the power of effective communication. So everything they're promising is there. Request a custom logo. So that's another thing. Based on the packages you join, you also get other things, okay? Not just training. So at the highest level, the Vertex Live, which is a one-time $2,500 payment, $2,000 would go to me, being that you're joining through me, to access my incredible bonus package. And then $500 goes to the product creator, or the company owner rather, of E1U Life. Both of these are just a one-time payment. And then at the highest level, you unlock all this stuff. And at this level, you also get social media pack to help market, email templates, logo, multi-page funnel, built for you funnel. Okay, so they will actually build a custom funnel and website for you. It's absolutely incredible. Okay, so when people say scam, many people think that anything online where you can earn affiliate commissions is a scam. But even Walmart, okay, if you go to Walmart, affiliates.walmart.com, Walmart, the famous massive grocery store, has an affiliate program that you can earn commissions. Okay, so affiliate marketing is not a scam, right? There are scammy programs out there, but again, E1U Life has been around for many years. It was previously Easy1Up. Now it's merged into E1U Life. It's not going anywhere. They pay you out consistently. They give you the value that you pay for. So all in all, it's not a scam, and I highly recommend you join. The reason I love this program over others is if you do decide to join and promote this as an affiliate marketer, we get paid instant 100% commissions up to the $2,000 level. It's high ticket. You get the money right away, and you get 100% of the money. The only part of the money you don't get is the admin fee, which is separate, which is totally fine, because when you start generating $2,000 per commission, using the traffic training, using my bonuses, which again, you can find out more at the link below. My bonuses cover video training. They cover, Facebook remarketing if you want to learn Facebook ads, access to my personal file of 7 top best lead generation social media posts. Okay, so all that and more is at the link below. If you're watching this on YouTube, you have any more questions on E1U Life, be sure to comment them under this video. I'll answer them as soon as possible. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.